Hello and welcome to my presentation video. Today I am going to explain about my report of PSM1. My research topic is Opinion Mining Unveiling Sentiments in Product Review with Machine Learning. Table of Contents. First is introduction, second problem statement, third objective, fourth scope, five workflow of research, six experiment design, and seven testing method. So let's move on to the introduction. In online market where product review can change people's mind, customers and sellers must comprehend and use a large pool of opinion. The internet marketplace is full of evaluation that are often incomplete or have various ideas, making it hard to discover relevant information. Sentiment analysis is a useful tool for fact-based decision making. The technique goes beyond perspective to clarify sentences to their positive and negative moods. It also helps to mine and summarize opinion by revealing what drives this opinion. With unclear reviews, we move on to machine learning, where naive-based and logistic regression uh, will predict or give the clear view what the review says in or in negative way. The passion in these words and phrases is very crucial in today's fast-pacing world, where e-commerce prevails and internet review determine the purchases. We must utilize machine learning. We must use machine learning to create a supervised machine learning model that will divide a lot of product evaluation into positive and negative category. So, as we know, over 88% of online review customer trusted to buy the product. This was our data from 2019 from Amazon. Our mission is to find out our customer feedback and give a clear view what the product says based on the comments of the previous buyers. We will use naive-based and logistic regression machine learning to analyze the review and determine whether the product has a favorable or a negative opinion. Due to the size of our Amazon product dataset, we won't request some features. We'll use feature selection to remove the unwanted features. We will use this method to assist us to avoid unnecessary element of our model to improve, or we can use to improve our accuracy. The study aims to make it easy for the customer to read the reviews based on the sentiment analysis. We will utilize naive-based analysis regression to solve our problem and discover our optimal model. Let's move on to problem statement. Amazon, an e-commerce powerhouse, receives thousands of product reviews from customers daily. The evaluation provides essential comments about the product property, quality, and recommendations, helping buyers to comprehend practically even in every details. This benefits customer and helps vendors who make their own product understand their need. The study uses machine learning to clarify online reviews as favorable or bad. The study, in our study, the dataset we have taken, it was from Kaggle. The dataset is about Amazon food product reviews. Data mining extracts useful information from vast dataset. Data mining technology like clustering, classification, regression, and other data based can be utilized for sentiment analysis. Sentiment mining helps to mine data based on the positive or negative feelings. Natural language processing or NLP is used in sentiment analysis and often called opinion mining. Social networking thoughts, reviews, and comments are the source materials. Comment, feedback, and the critical sentiment analysis can be categorized by features and used for numbering purpose. The predictive data will suggest the recommendation or it is good or not. Hello. For my research, I have three objectives. My first one is to evaluate the performance of need-based and logistic regression by using evaluation metrics like precision, accuracy, F1 score, and MCC. My second one is to compare the popular two classification, which are need-based and logistic regression. My third one is to investigate the impact of feature selection on different datasets for sentiment analysis. For my research, I have three scopes. My first one is we will use need-based and logistic regression to develop a predictive model like to determine the best result. The second one is our dataset comes from Kaggle, which has a lot of reviews of the product. So in the dataset, I have product ID, user ID, profile name, score, summary, and text which have been collected from the dataset. Third one, the impact of sentiment analysis will be accessed using the name-based analysis regression. We used our dataset to test how well our model can predict sentiment from reviews, summaries by text categorization. The F1 score MCC accuracy and precision and recall will be found using the evaluation matrix of our model. We'll also examine the model's strength and weaknesses. This is a dataset I have collected from Kaggle. This is the food review dataset from Amazon. This is the workflow of the research. In our research, there are four phases. First one is data preparation, second one is data pre-processing, third one is performance analysis, and the fourth one is data visualization. So at first, at data preparation, we have collected data from Kaggle. We have to extract the data and select the data set which we have collected from the Kaggle. So in the phase 2, we will do pre-processing. Here we will do feature selection to determine the features we will use for our experiment because every feature doesn't give the most accuracy. So we'll select the best accuracy which we'll see the best feature which will give the us the more more accuracy actually. So here after collecting the data set after doing the feature selection we will train by our two model we have selected which are night based and logistic regression. In third phase which is performance analysis, here the two models that we have selected will give the result of the data they have tested. The models will give us the result of accuracy, recall, precision, F1 score, and we will see in phase 4, we'll see the graph, the chart, or the visualization, the result of two different models, which will one side there will be need based and another side will be holistic regression. So this is the whole flow of our work. At first, we'll input the data set, we will do data pre-processing. But before pre-processing, we will do the feature selection as I have told earlier. Then we'll get the final data set. Then from the data set, we will do the pre-processing. Then we'll do the testing of our two models, which is logistic regression and NIPs. Then we will get the performance analysis, but we will divide the huge data set into 30 and 70% in ratios because we will use to get we will try different ratio like 75 25 or 60 or 60 to 60 40 because we will test different ratio to get more accuracy and more precise results. So we will do at first like 70-30 with 30% data testing data. We will get the result of accuracy F1 score, recall, and we will get from the both models, and then we will trial different ratios to train our data. Then after getting the result, it will be the end of our research. This is the testing method. This is the very beginning of the pre-processing steps. Here we have imported the library from the dataset of our model, shows the data here. Here, as you can see, that all information of the dataset and the text of the data set in the next one. Here we have done the clean data set. Because in a data set there will be there can be many rows, there can be any null sets. That's why we will clean our data set for the to remove the null sets. Actually, this is the very beginning of the coding part, and this is just pre-processing. So in the next one, there in the next PSM2, when the model will be trained, then the main work will start. So thank you for watching, and this was the just the part to start our research, because in PSM2 the main work will be done. As I promised in my objective, I will do the works as follows in the objective. So the this is just the beginning. So inshallah in PSM2 I will do the objective completely as I have discussed and I have shown in my workflow. Thank you.